Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 on this laptop. So all you're gonna need for this process is just a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of available storage. If you have any files located on your USB flash drive, then back them up beforehand on some other device. And the next thing that we're gonna need is another laptop, or basically a PC with internet connection. And let's begin by creating an ISO image and booting it up onto the USB flash drive. So first of all, insert your USB flash drive into another device that you're going to be using for creating an ISO image. And then let's switch to it. Okay. So open your web browser, then open your search engine, and in your search engine look for Windows or Win 11 ISO. Now find the official Microsoft page which says download Windows 11. Click right here. Now scroll to the very bottom of this screen, select Windows 11 right here, then confirm and wait until your request is validated. Now select the product language that you're going to be using for installation, and that's going to be the main language in your Windows. Then click confirm. Then wait a while again, and once your request is validated, click 64-bit download. And now, while the Windows ISO image is being downloaded, let's open the search engine again and look for the Rufus program, which you're gonna be using for creating an ISO image and booting it onto the USB flash drive. So search for Rufus. The official website is rufus.ie. Open it. Let me change the language. Okay, now scroll down and download the first file on the list, which is for me is Rufus 49exe. And once you download this file, open it, and if it doesn't run on your PC, you can click no right here. If it doesn't run on your PC, then go with this Rufus 4.9x86 version, or any version that you have, but it's gotta be x86 if it doesn't run on this device that you're using. Okay, and right now in the device field right here, select your USB flash drive, and once you do that, simply wait until the ISO image downloads. Let's give it a while. And once the ISO image is downloaded, click select right here in the Rufus program. Select your Windows 11 ISO image. Now, what you have to do is simply click start right here. You can uncheck these checkboxes too, because we're not gonna need them. Then click OK. Then click OK once again, and then simply wait until the status bar says ready. At this point, I suggest that it would be better if you have already connected your laptop to the power source, and your laptop has to be connected to the power source all along during the installation process. So while you're waiting, connect the charging cable to your laptop, and then let's wait. I'm gonna return to you in a while. Okay, and when your status bar says ready, you can close this program, and now you can simply additionally check if the files on your USB flash drive look like this, and if they do, then safely eject the USB flash drive. And now let's switch to our laptop. So what you have to do now is insert the USB flash drive into one of the available USB ports. Oh, I can see there is only one port on this PC. I didn't mention it at first. Didn't notice it. Okay, so insert it into your laptop, and now what you're gonna have to do is press power button to start your laptop up, and once it starts booting up, start repeatedly pressing the F7 button. Okay, until you see this menu on your screen. And when you see it, what you have to do next is use your arrow buttons to select USB HDD, in my case. So the option with your USB flash drive, it's gotta be shown in white color once you select it, and then press enter to boot your device from the USB. Then wait until it boots up. Okay, and on the following screen, select the language that you want to install. To do that, press tab. Oh, you already selected the language, I forgot. You can select the time and currency format. So press tab a couple of times until you have this option selected. Then press. Then you can use the down and up arrow keys in order to select different time and currency formats. Then press tab one more time to select a couple more times until you have the next option selected, and then press enter to confirm. Then select the keyboard or input method. You can again do this using your arrow keys down and up, and then press tab a couple more times to select next option, and then press enter to select it. Now press tab to have this option selected, and press spacebar to agree that everything will be deleted from your laptop before the installation. Then press tab a couple more times until you have this next option selected, and press enter. Now let's wait for a little while. Okay, now to select the user's agreement, to accept the user's agreement, press tab a couple more times until you have the accept option selected. Then to accept it, press enter. Then wait, and right now we're gonna have to prepare our disks on this laptop for the installation. Okay, so what are we gonna have to do here? First of all, you can navigate between the disks using down and up arrow keys. And what we have to do is remove all the partitions that come before your USB flash drive. So as you can see, here we have 4 partitions So what we have to do is select each one of them and then press the combination of Alt D, then wait a while, and the partition becomes unallocated space, as you can see right here. Now select the next partition and press Alt D again in order to delete it. Now do the same thing with the following two partitions. Okay, and right now we're gonna be installing the Windows 11 onto this disk 0 unallocated space. As you can see, we have 238 gigabytes of memory in here, so just select this option using arrow keys, and once you select it, simply press enter. And after that, the setup will begin. All you have to do is press tab a couple more times until you have the install option selected, and then press enter and wait until the Windows is installed on your PC. I'm gonna come back here in a while. Make sure that your device is plugged in into the power source once again. It's very important. And once the installation process is complete, we're gonna have to do the last thing, which is installing the Wi-Fi drivers. So what you have to do right now is use the tab key, use the arrow keys in order to select the right country or region. Then once you selected it, press enter to confirm. Then select the right keyboard layout for your laptop and press enter to confirm. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can press tab a couple more times to select add layout option and proceed, but you can also do this later in settings. So for now we can skip this step, and right now we'll have to install an additional driver. So first of all, let me show you how to do that. What you have to do in order to install the driver is locate your serial number, the serial number of your device. Right now you can remove the USB flash drive from your laptop, and let me show you where the serial number of your laptop is located. And it is located on the back side of your laptop, so let me show it closer to you. So right here at the very bottom of the back cover of your laptop, you'll find the serial number of your laptop. So now what you have to do is either write it down or take a photo of it, then switch to your other device on which you previously installed the ISO image. Let me do this too. Okay, so insert your USB flash drive into the other device, then open the web browser in it and search for the CHUWI support website. Okay, and here is it. Here it is, CHUWI Support Center. Open this website, support.chuwi.com. Okay, and enter the serial number that you either took a picture of or have written down right here. Let me do this too. And once you enter the full serial number of your device into this field right here, click search button and wait until it finds it. And right now scroll down. Once it finds it, scroll down to drivers section, open the drivers, click onto the download button next to it. Wait until they download. Now once the drivers are installed, open them in the File Explorer, then right click your drivers file and select Open with File Explorer. Next, open this folder, and in this folder select GemiBook X LWL. Now what you have to do is copy this file and paste it into the USB flash drive folder, and wait until it's copied. Now once the folder is copied, you can eject the USB flash drive, and let's switch to our laptop. Okay, now insert your USB flash drive into the laptop, then press tab. Okay, press enter. Okay, give me a while. Okay, so after a while I figure out how to select the install driver option, but if you cannot do that, I'm gonna show you an alternative way to install the drivers. First of all, use the Shift F10 combination of keys, so two keys Shift plus F10, in order to enter the CMD CMD program. Now in CMD program, input D and colon, then press enter, and if you cannot enter D, then try E, and then go along with the alphabet. So once you select a D, input dir, and if you see this this list in front of you, that means that you selected the right disk. And right now select input CD spacebar G lowercase e lowercase m uppercase B uppercase P lowercase s and then uppercase LWL. Then press enter. Then press input dir once again, and then input install and press enter, and then wait until the driver is downloaded and installed. Okay, and right now you can click Alt F4, and right now you should be seeing the available networks on the list, and proceed with the setup process. If you need to see the full setup process, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it and if it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.